Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Quiz with Sanvika. I am Swagatika
And my name is Sai Salvika.
So in this channel, we are going to share some of the interesting quiz questions on different topics.
What is the popular street food in Maharashtra? Includes a curry made of sprouts with onions, tomatoes and farcians and lime served with pav. A pav bhaji, B misal pav, C bada pav and D bhel puri.
Answer is B. Misal Pav.
Which state of India is famous for bishi vele bhat? Options are A. Kerala, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka and D. Chhattisgarh.
Answer is C. Karnataka.
Which Uttarakhand food is prepared with spinach and fenugreek leaves, smooth paste and then cooked along with the spice and rice flour? Options are A. Singori, B. Chenso, C. Asha and D. Kafuli.
Answer is D. Kafuli.
Which famous Odisha dessert is prepared with fresh cheese chena, sugar, semolina and is baked for several hours until it browns? Options are A. Chena podo, B. Chena mudki, C. Chena jhili and D. Chena jalebi.
Answer is A. Chena Podo.
Kahwa tea is famous in which Indian state or union territory? Options are A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Sikkim and D. Nagaland.
Answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir.
Which Assamese dish is prepared with many ingredients consisting of meat, fish, vegetables like raw papaya, taro and pulses? Options are A. Khar, B. Gudok, C. Mosteng and D. Chuak.
Answer is A. Khan.
Which Manipur dish is a vegetable stew consists seasonal vegetables? Options are A. Aromba, B. Morag Metpa, C. Chamthong and D. Singzu.
Answer is C. Chamtong.
Pongal is famous in which Indian state? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka and D. Kerala.
Answer is A. Tamil Nadu.
Which flavorful dish in Arunachal Pradesh is made with banana flour, chicken, red dry chili, fermented bamboo shoot and local herbs? Options are A. Lutkar, B. Khazi, C. Bat and D. Pupuk.
Answer is D. Pakuk.
Butte ka kees is a special dish of which state? Options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Jharkhand and D. Rajasthan.
Answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. If you like this video, like, share our videos and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to click the bell button.